This is Intro to Proofs, section 6.1. We're doing progress check 6.2 right now. So in this progress check, we have two functions defined. So we say let f from the real numbers to real numbers be defined by f of x equals x squared minus 5x, and let g from the integers to the integers be defined by g of m equals m squared minus 5m. So notice basically the same function, but with different domains and codomains. Okay, so determine, for number one, determine f of negative 3 and f of square root of 8. F of negative 3 is 9 minus 5 times negative 3, so 9 plus 15, so that would be 24. Okay, f of square root of 8, that's square root of 8 squared is 8 minus 5 square root of 8, and there's really no way to simplify that beyond that. Okay, number two, let's find g of 2. G of 2 equals 4 minus 5 times 2 is 10 equals negative 6, and g of negative 2 equals 4 plus 10. That's equal to 14. All right. 3, determine the set of all preimages of 6 for the function f. Okay, so preimages of 6. Okay, how would we find that? Well, we would do x squared minus 5x equals 6, and then find x. So in this case, why don't we move the 6 over? Minus 5x minus 6 equals 0, and then factor. Two numbers that multiply would be negative 6 and add. So be negative 5 would be x minus 6, x plus 1 equals 0. And since I have two numbers then that multiply to get 0, I know that x is either 6 or x equals negative 1. So then my answer then is f inverse of 6 equals the set 1, 6. All right. All the preimages of 6 for g. Now it's the same function, and the things I got were integers. So also know then that g inverse of 6 equals 1 and 6. Okay. And now let's find all the preimages of 2 for the function f. So if I have f inverse of 2, let's do it so you can see. Then I solve x squared minus 5x equals 2. Okay, so then x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Well, then we've got x equals, we'll use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x equals 25 minus 8, 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 8 is 17 all over 2. Okay, so then f inverse of 2 equals the set 5 plus square root of 17 over 2, and the 5 minus square root of 17 over 2. Okay, but those numbers are not integers, so g inverse of 2 is the empty set. And that completes progress check 6.2.